This Towering Pines real estate property video is presented by Nanney Partners. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath home is perfect for investors to flip or rent. Or it would make a great home to tweak to your own tastes. With good bones and a price that allows extra room in your budget for renovations, this home just needs some love. Key features include a galley-style kitchen, separate laundry room, and cozy living space. Large windows let in plenty of natural sunlight, and the large yard is great for outdoor entertaining or for the gardening enthusiast. Don't miss out on making this diamond in the rough your home. For more information, review the details below or contact Nanney Partners at 910-528-2078.